Happy Halloween. I hope you're having a good day. I'm going to play you a horror cue that I actually recorded and created a while ago, and I'll put a link up above to the real-time composing session. It's quite long, but I think there's some gems of information you might find in there. At the end of the day, the music library has decided to publish it as the Halloween cue. This is the Twinkle Twinkle Little Devil tune, and if you want to license it, you can follow those links. I hope you all have a spooktacular evening, and let's kick it off with Twinkle Twinkle Little Devil.